Hello traders, welcome to Flash Trade 1. On the screen you can see that I am showing Flash Trade 1 live streaming, and the video is live, you can see over here. And here I am showing 3 accounts which is being traded live. This is the account number 1, this is the account number 2, this is the account number 3. Account number 2 is with the deposit of $10,000 where just gold is traded. Let me increase the quality. Then this is the account number 2 where net deposit is $10,000 with the total profit of $91,800 where just Euro USD is traded. This is the account number 3 where net deposit is 100k and the total profit is 155k. I'm going to attach the statements of all these 3 accounts in the description of the video, so you would be able to find the statement and you can verify the profit by your own. Now, interesting part about this video, what I'm going to explain over here is that whenever any message, whenever any trade is being placed in any of these 3 accounts, either you take it one account number 2 or account number 3, then the message is going to be sent on the Telegram containing the information about that trade completely. So the traders who are not able to make the profit in their account, they can follow the trades message over this Telegram channel and they can earn the same kind of profit as we are earning in these 3 accounts. This is the Telegram channel where the signal message get copied for account number 2, which is t.me trade 02 live order 2. For account number 1, the link is t.me trade 01, and for account number 3 it is t.me trade 03. Whenever a trade is placed in any of these 3 accounts, then a message, let me show you. This is the message format which is going to be sent on their own respective Telegram channel. This is the account number 2 where the trade has been placed in Euro USD with sell. The order ID is this. The price at which the order is placed is 1.198. It is placed today on 16th of April with lot size of 0.57. As of now, on account number 2 the balance is almost 100k plus, but just check the lot size which is being traded on the account, which is 0.57, and the take profit is targeted at 1.196. There is no stop loss set on the account. In the same manner, this is the order closed message. Now, this is the order open message. Let me show you the demo of how the order closed message is sent when the trade is being closed onto this account. So at a time it may happen that 2 or 3 trades must be opened onto the account, so you can decide that which trade is being closed onto account using the order ID. So this is the order closed message, you can see that, and the trade with this order ID is closed, so you can decide that which trade is being closed. The symbol, the trade is being closed in Euro USD. The price at which it is closed is 1.195, and the loss of $47 has been booked onto this account at 15th of April 2021, and account balance is $98,382. So all the information will be sent on this account. So if any client can copy the trades from here and they can apply into their MT4 very easily, and if the client do not have time to trade their account manually, but if they like this strategy, then they can be part of our mirror trading service. We'll apply the same strategy into client account to get the same kind of profit into their account. And here we do the pure holding on this account, so we can apply this strategy on any account, on any capital. Now we are going to see that this is the account number 2, which is live, where trades are being placed in just Euro USD, the most volatile and the most liquid pair, where the trades are being placed using M15, M30 and H1 time frame, and using our indicator, the multiple in one trend indicator, and our support demand indicator. And we'll see the first order ID of this account, which is 2988933. You can verify the same order ID in past updates of this video. This is the past update of the video, which were made on April 2nd, 2021. Let me erase things first. Which was made on April 20, 2021, and you can see that in all the 6 updates the profit made on the account. In update 1 the profit was 70,000, update 2 80,600, update 3 81,000, update 4 83,000, update 5 86,000, update 6 89,000, and we are going to see the 7th update as of now. This is the 7th update of the same account. In all the previous 6 updates, I have shown the order ID which we have just verified, and you can confirm that the account I am showing as of now is the same account which I have shown in previous 6 updates. And we are trading this account since 12 months and 10 days. So 1 year is being completed onto this account. Now we are going to see the account history of this account. So you can see that as of now the profit on the account is 91,800. The last update was on 2nd April. Today it's 16th of April. 14 days on the account. 89,000 profit as of now, 91.8 profit. So in 14 days period of time, $2,800 profit increased onto this account. If you count the per day profit, then it's $250 nearly onto this account. And you can see that here we just trade the Euro USD, as we have seen in the live streaming, that just Euro USD is being traded onto this account. And just check the lot size which is being traded on this account. It is maintained under, it's less than 1. The lot size which is used is less than 1 on the account. And we're going to check the statement of this account. And you can also verify that here the trades are the holding trades. You just check that this trade was placed on 14/4 and it is closed at 15/4. So today there is no profit yet booked on this account, and what the trade was kept holding for almost 1 day. Then the profit was booked onto this account. So we use the M15, M30 and H1 time frame to place the trades onto this account. Now this is the statement of this account, where you can see that how the graph has increased gradually on this account. You can see the graph which is increased very gradually. This is not the loss, as we have told that in middle part the certain deposits and withdrawals were made. So this is the reason this chart shows the downfall. The total net profit is $91,800. Let me count it to the $92,000, where total trade is at 1200, profit trades is 867 and loss trade is 365. The average win is 181 and average loss is 178. So the risk reward of this account is maintained to be 1:1. You can see the total accuracy of the account is 70.3, while the accuracy of the account, a break-even point of this account, if you count, this is the real accuracy, this is the risk reward, and if we found the break-even accuracy, then it comes out to be the 49.6. You can see the previous data, previous time the accuracy of the account was 70.3. it has been decreased to 70.3. break-even was 49.7, as of now it is 49.6, and risk reward is maintained to be 1:1 on the account, which is proper. We are getting 70 to 75% gain onto this account, which no banks or no other companies provide, but the only flash trade one provides, and the proof and the things is live in front of you. So if you have any query regarding this account, then you can ask us. I will attach the statement of this account so you can verify the statement with the live streaming, and you can confirm that whatever I've shown is the transparent thing and it's the clear thing. And hope this video was useful, and you would be able to make the same kind of profit by copying the signals from the Telegram into your MT4, which gives the 97% accuracy. Goodbye, take care, and have a happy trading.